everyone, welcome back to my channel. And before we hop into this video, I just wanted to let you know that this video is sponsored by Gleam. So what is Gleam? Gleam is a brand that is designed to make your smile shine. They have a new rechargeable base electric toothbrush that I'm gonna show you guys that I've been using for a couple of days, and I'm super excited to be one of the first to be using this, and of course to show you guys. You guys are the first to see. So here's the electric toothbrush. This one is in the aqua color. Mine was, I used one from another brand, and to be honest, I feel like the brush head was too big. This one, I just feel like it's so little. Look at that. It's perfect because it goes to everywhere, and my teeth, the fast vibration. Here's the base, and you just put it like that. It has the classic clean and the Gleam clean. So I love the bristles. They're really soft. They're not that hard. And I feel like they get my teeth cleaner faster. Like I felt like before with other toothbrush, I could still feel a little bit of like food in my teeth, or even like the plaque. I don't know if that's how you say la placa, but yeah, that. So I think that's why one of the reasons that I've been loving this electric toothbrush. So I'm really excited to keep on using it to get my smile shiny. Okay, another product that is the one that I've been using also, and I will show you guys the process of it and how to use it, is the whitening kit. It comes with the whitening strips for upper and lower. So we have the strips right here, and then we have the light. You just press it on the sides and you get your light. This, you open it, you'll get two strips, one for the top and one for the bottom. You of course choose the part that has the gel to put on your teeth and wrap around the edges that are left off. Just stuck them in the bottom of your teeth. You're gonna leave that for 60 minutes, that's an hour, and for the last 5 minutes, you're gonna grab your light, you're gonna put them in your teeth for the light to do its effect. What are my impressions of this product is I did not feel any stickiness. I did not feel any ugly taste. It says you might get a little bit of sensitivity. I felt like when I was like 10 minutes with the strip, like it was gonna give me a little bit, but it was just for a few seconds and then it disappeared. But for the rest of the 60 minutes, any gum sensitivity or any teeth sensitivity. And I have one of my teeth that has a little bit of sensitivity, so I was hoping that I didn't feel anything, because I have gotten whitening my teeth before, not with a strip, but at an actual place, and it would give me a lot of sensitivity. So I'm glad that didn't happen here. The whitening kit comes in a box like this. It has this couple of strips on this side. The light comes in this box where it tells you all the instructions here and here in the back. Okay, this is for 1 week. And it says that you can see the results in 3 days. What else? We have the teeth whitening pen. It has an applicator, and you twist it and you just clean your teeth for you to touch up on the go. And last but not least, we have the whitening strips with charcoal serum. So you peel on one strip and you add 2 small dots to the gel side of the strip, and then you apply to the upper, to the bottom, fold over to secure it, and then you repeat for the lower. And the same, you leave this for 60 minutes. So I'm really excited about these products. I feel like a good electric toothbrush is gonna help your teeth look better, and of course with the whitening kit and the light, that is amazing. I'm excited to see the results of my gleaming smile. And what I'm gonna do for you guys is that I'm gonna add the links on the bottom on the description box. You're gonna have everything, social media, website, all the information you need to get all these products for you. And of course, my social media. Don't forget to follow me, subscribe if you haven't, and comment, like, share, give me some love. I think that's it. So see you guys next time. Bye.